Hi, today I will talk about compressor. I will explain you what a compressor do and what will pay attention when you put a compressor on a track. I pick up a sound, a guitar sound. Okay, you can see that at the beginning it's on a high volume and then the volume fades out. The beginning of the sound, it's on the punch of the sound, the transient of the sound. You can hear it. Okay, what the compressor do? Um, the compressor make a balance between the transient, who's at the beginning of the sound, and the rest of the sound. I will not explain all the settings because there are a lot of tutorials for that. I will show you what to pay attention when you put a compressor on a track. So I put a compressor. I use extreme settings for you to hear better the results. Then I will move the attack. You can hear more punch at the beginning of the sound and a more percussive sound at the beginning. It sounds like a snare. Okay, the original sound with compression. So the compressor is all about dynamics. The dynamics is given by the transient. So the higher you can hear the sound of transient, more dynamics has the track and the sound. There are no rules to use a compressor. It's up to you how to use it and what sound do you want to obtain. But that's all about compressor.